All right. So repeat after me, my teammates. Whatever I will write it down, and it's just you to repeat after me. Okay, my team. So we have
Okay.
French numbers. Okay. So repeat after me. Zero. Répétez après moi.
Zero,
Zero.
zero,
Zero,
Un. Répétez après moi.
un,
un,
Un. Deux. Deux.
deux,
deux,
Trois. Trois.
trois,
trois,
Why is trois? My teammates, because OI sound is wa in French. OI sound is wa in French.
one,
Is it clear to you? And
right,
one thing you have to understand, my teammates, in order to speak very good French, right? One thing you have to understand, if we have a consonant ending, le mot terminé, le mot terminé avec les consonnes. If the word is ending with S, T, so that would be silent. Is it clear to you? So répétez après moi, mademoiselle et monsieur. Zéro, zéro,
zero,
un,
un,
un, deux, deux,
deux,
trois,
deux,
trois.
trois,
Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Repeat after me. Zéro, zéro,
zéro,
zero,
un,
zéro,
un,
un,
deux,
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 trois, trois,
trois,
trois,
trois,
quatre, quatre,
quatre,
quatre,
quatre,
quatre,
quatre,
cinq,
quatre,
cinq.
cinq,
cinq,
Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Cinq, cinq,
cinq,
six, six, sept,
six,
sept,
six,
sept,
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 huit, huit,
huit,
neuf, neuf,
neuf,
neuf,
dix.
dix,
dix,
Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Repeat after me. Zéro, un, deux, trois, quatre. Repeat after me like that. Zéro,
zéro, un,
un, deux,
deux, trois,
trois,
quatre,
quatre, mhm,
cinq, six,
cinq,
sept,
six,
mhm,
sept, huit,
sept,
huit,
neuf,
huit,
neuf,
nine,
dix,
dix. Is it clear to you? So repeat after me, my teammates. Zéro, zéro,
zéro,
un,
un,
deux,
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 trois,
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 quatre.
quatre,
quatre,
Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Zéro,
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 un,
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 deux,
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 trois,
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 quatre,
trois,
quatre,
quatre,
cinq, cinq,
cinq,
cinq,
six,
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 sept,
six,
sept,
sept,
huit,
sept,
huit,
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 neuf,
huit,
neuf,
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 dix,
neuf, dix,
neuf,
dix.
dix,
dix,
Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît, my teammates. Répétez après moi. Zéro, un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, Navjot, your voice is very sweet. Votre voix est très, très, très douce. So, s'il vous plaît, vous commencez, mademoiselle. Zéro, un, deux, trois. Yes, Navjot. Speak up, please.
zéro, un, deux,
Mhm,
trois,
mhm,
quatre,
quatre,
cinq,
cinq,
mhm,
six,
six,
mhm,
sept,
mhm,
huit,
mhm.
neuf,
neuf,
dix.
dix.
C'est très bien. Now, my teammates, yes, repeat it. Kishan, repeat it, my teammates. Zéro, un, deux, trois. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Zéro, un, deux,
Zéro, un,
trois.
deux,
Quatre,
trois,
cinq, six, sept,
quatre, cinq, six, sept,
c'est très bien.
huit, neuf,
Repeat it,
dix.
please. Yes. Repeat it, please, my
Zéro,
teammates.
un, deux,
Zéro, un, deux, trois. Quatre,
quatre,
cinq,
cinq,
six,
quatre,
sept,
cinq,
huit, neuf,
cinq,
dix. Yes. Navjot, can you speak up?
zéro, un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq,
Zéro,
six,
un,
sept, huit, neuf, dix.
C'est très bien. C'est très bien. Is it clear to you? Now,
un,
repeat after me. Ons. My teammates repeat after me. 11.
Onze,
Ons. My teammates.
onze,
onze,
Ons. Repeat after me.
onze,
Ons. Douze.
onze, douze,
Douze. Repeat after me.
douze,
Ons. Douze.
douze,
Tres. 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 Tres.
treize,
Tres.
treize,
Tres. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Repeat after me. Onze. Douze. Tres. Onze. Douze.
onze,
onze,
deux,
douze,
treize,
treize,
Yes, repeat after me.
onze, douze,
Onze, douze,
treize,
tres, quatorze.
quatorze,
Repeat after me. Quatorze. Quinze.
quatorze,
Quinze. My teammates.
quinze,
Quinze.
quinze,
Trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Onze, douze,
quatre,
treize.
quinze.
Repeat करो आप. Navjot and my teammates. Kishan, repeat it please. my all the teammates, my mais équipe, I will say, देखो क्या होगा, one thing you have to understand, I will say something in French and it is just you have to capture. I will say équipe, mes équipes, my team, mes équipes, équipe, équipe we called as team, équipe, équipe, répétez après moi, équipe. Repeat after me, my teammates.
Equipe.
Équipe.
Équipe.
Équipe, my team.
Équipe.
Équipe. Is it clear to you? So,
Équipe.
repeat it, please. Équipe. So you are my
Équipe.
team players. You are my team players. I will say joueur d'équipe. Répétez après moi. Joueur. ये चीजें आप में से बोलनी है. Language.
Joueur d'équipe.
Joueur. You are my players. My teammates. You are my players. So I'm saying joueur d'équipe. Joueur d'équipe. Joueur
Joueur d'équipe.
players. Joueur of players of my team. Players, joueur. Répétez après moi.
Joueur d'équipe.
Joueur d'équipe.
Exactement. देखो, what is the language? My teaching is, I will give you a bit vocabularies of the TEF so that you will come to know the concept of the French, and will touch the beginner, will touch the heavy pattern, will touch beginner, but encore. Répétez après moi. Encore. Encore. Again, still. Encore. Encore. We have still. Encore. We have still and again. Encore. Now don't forget these terminologies. Encore. Répétez après moi.
Encore.
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 Encore. Still.
Encore.
Is it clear to you? Claire? Now, répétez après moi. Établissement. Répétez après moi. Établissement. Établissement. What is établissement? Mademoiselle et monsieur, établissement is your institutions. Now, for example, you have an institution, the name of Easy Lang. So Easy Lang is called as établissement. Say Claire. Is it clear to you?
Very clear.
Établissement we call as your école. Repeat, क्योंकि जब आप TEF के अंदर, the moment you enter the TEF, okay, the moment you enter in the listening portion, in the reading portion, so a very normal common vocabularies we have to understand. École. My teammates repeat after me. École. École we have school. École we have school. Is it clear to you? Établissement. Établissement is a vocab of B2 level. Yes. In a very first day, I will take you in the portion of A1, A2, B1, B2, TEF. This type of movement will do. Diriger. Mademoiselle and monsieur. Repeat after me. Diriger. Bolo isko language ko aap. Repeat it.
Diriger.
Diriger.
Diriger is to take place. You know, we say is to take place, to lead. Leading towards. Diriger where? Diriger is my full verb. Répétez après moi. Diriger where? Repeat after.
Diriger where?
Diriger where? My teammates, repeat it, please.
Diriger where?
Diriger where?
Where? So diriger where is something like where is towards. Where is towards. Where? Mademoiselle et monsieur, repeat it. Where? Where?
Where?
Towards. Towards. What you can do is every session, we have sessions under recording, right? Repeat this recording again and again and again so that you will get a touch of the language. Say Claire. Now repeat after me. Diriger.
Diriger.
Diriger is moving towards. Répétez après moi. Dégager. My teammates, don't forget again. Don't forget these type of terms, which is very, very important. Is it clear to you? Dégager. Répétez après moi. Dégager. Dégager is to clear. Dégager. My teammates.
Dégager.
Dégager. Repeat it, please. Dégager.
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 Dégager is to clear. If I will say, débloquer. Répétez après moi, mademoiselle. Débloquer. Repeat it. This is my.
Débloquer.
Débloquer.
Je veux. I want that. Je veux que. I want that. This is my wish. Vous réussissez. C'est le subjonctif. I will explain to you. Vous réussissez à votre examen. The te TEF. Would you say about the examiner the TEF? I want this, that you clear your TEF exam, right? So in TEF examination, in your technical, this is something technical education, right? So I want you to grab those things. They bloque. Repte apne moi. They kyunki see what is language? You tell me. It means you have to have terminologies. You have to have how to make a sentence making. They bloque. Repte apne moi. They bloque. I will give you a very beautiful vocabularies, which is very very important. My teammates in a very first day. That how the concept works. I cannot say abe say they. Okay, that's fine. But ABCD never takes you to the level of TEF, right? So the things I'm giving to you, just grab those. Saisir. Saisir. What is saisir? Saisir is to hold the language. You mean saisir. Saisir. Repte apre moi, mademoiselle. Saisir.
Saisir.
Repeat after me. Saisir. Saisir is to
Saisir.
grab. I want to grab. Saisir. My teammates, I understand it's a new language, but I'm giving you some terms which is very very important. If you really want to grab your B2 level, CLB 6, 7, I understand your CLB 5 is mandate, but I want you to grab very good score. So let's libere. Repeat after me.
Libere.
Libere.
Dégagez. Débloquer.
Dégagez.
Dégagez.
Débloquer.
देखो क्या होता है, my teammates in your TEF examination or in any French higher level exam, right? You have to write something, you have to speak something. But how can you write and speak? The moment you have beautiful vocabularies. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no. So, repte after my teammates. Libere. 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 Dégagez.
Dégagez.
Okay. Some new my members are new, so I will explain to you. ER sound is A in French. That's why we have libere. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
That's why we have libere, dégagez, débloquer, faire libérer, décoincer. My teammates repeat after me. Libere.
Libere. Dégagez.
Yes. 1 second. Let me enter Kishan. Kishan is just waiting, I think. Kishan. Okay. All right. Repte après moi. Libérer. Libérer is to free, to release. Dégager is to release. Débloquer is to unblock. Faire libérer is to release. Décoincer is to unstuck. This is the vocabulary for free. But we have a sense of the language, like where will apply. Décoincer, very important vocab. Décoincer. These are the vocab. Dekho. On the careful counting you're doing for the beginners. But what next? The next is your this thing. So we will slowly and gradually we will cover the portion of TEF beginners. TEF beginners. Say class. Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let me take water, yeah? Please be with me. I'm just taking water. Okay, now. Libere. Repte après moi. Libere.
Libere. Dégagez. Débloquer.
आप इस vocab को भूलो ना. कैसे? अब मेरे साथ बोलो. Dirige vers. Dégagez école. बोलो language को आप. So that your tongue should be.
Dirige vers.
Dirige vers. Dégagez. Dégagez is
Dégagez.
clear. Débloquer. Débloquer. Faire.
Débloquer.
Décoincer. Décoincer.
Décoincer.
Décoincer.
Unstuck. You know you stuck somewhere. The moment you unstuck, coincer is to stuck. You say, oh, I stuck somewhere. So coincer my teammates. Coincer. Coincer. Why? Because OI sound is wa. Coincer. Say Claire. My teammates. Repeat after me, please. Wa sound. OI is wa sound. So repte après moi. Dirige vers is moving towards. Moving towards. Dégager is to clear. You know, clear. Okay.
Clear.
Unblock. Débloquer. Débloquer. Faire. Libérer. My teammates, the moment you will enter with me after 10 and 12 hours, when you will enter with my section, B task, which is writing task, in which you have to write 200 words. These vocab will help you out. Say clear. Now, for example, if, for example, you have a topic for pollution, okay, and you have to write an article in the newspaper in pollution, and I will say, I think pollution stuck our life. In some extent, we stuck. Now, for example, we have COVID, these now, COVID-19, these now. I can say, I stuck because of this, that this virus stuck every person's life. Up stuck, what is stuck? Stuck, we call it concept. Say clear. Is it clear to you? So my teammates, these vocabs are very, very important. So répétez après moi, saisir is to grasp. Répétez après moi, saisir is to grasp. Okay? Libérer is to free. Dégager is to clear. Débloquer is to free again. You know, unblock. Faire, libérer, décoincer. Is it clear to you, my teammates? Tell me yes or no. Yes, yes. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So repeat it, please. My teammates, इसको repeat करो, please. Répétez après moi. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me, s'il vous plaît. Après moi. Répétez après moi. बोलो उसको आप. Après moi. बोलो language को please आप. Après moi.
Après moi. Après moi.
Yes. You have to speak with me. Après moi. Après moi is after me. Après is after. Après is after. Moi is me. Moi. Répétez après moi. Moi. Après moi. Après moi. Say clear. Is it clear to you? Okay. Say clear, my teammates. Now, chalo count. Let's go for count change. 0, 1, 2, 3. Répétez après moi. 0, 1, 2, 3.
4,
5, 6, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10.
8, 9, 10.
11, 12, 13.
11, 12, 13. 11, 12, 13.
Acha, may I rub this and I screen? May I rub this? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Say clear.
Yes, yes.
यहाँ पे कर लेते हैं ए इधर से try here now. 11, 12, 13. Répétez après moi. 11, 12, 13. 14.
11, 12, 13.
Yes, very good. Répétez après moi. 14.
14.
14. Répétez après moi.
14.
Claire. Okay. 15. Repeat after me. 15.
15.
Repeat after me.
15.
15. 14. We have 14. Répétez après moi. 14. We have 14. 15.
14. 15.
Say Claire. 14.
Oui, clair.
15. C'est clair. D'accord? 16. 16. Répétez après moi. 16.
16.
16. C'est clair. 16. Now, 14, 15. Repeat after me. 14, 16. Up देखो. Let me tell you one thing. It is just, you have to learn the counting till 16. That's it. Going forward, 17, 18, 19, 20, we have formula. Like, now first, 17. Tell me, 10 plus 7 is equal to 17? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
10 plus 7 formula, mademoiselle and monsieur. We have a 10 plus 7. What is 10? These.
This.
What is set? 7.
Set.
These set. Say Claire. Say try simple. Very simple.
This
Bolo.
set.
Wow. Say
This
try
set.
simple. Répétez après moi. C'est très simple. Ouh là là. C'est
This set. These with.
ouh là là. C'est très simple. C'est très. Répétez après moi. C'est très simple.
C'est très simple.
It's very très. Répétez après moi. Très. C'est très simple. Répétez après moi. C'est. What is say?
C'est très simple.
Très simple. Now what do you say over here?
Simple.
Simple.
Sir is my this. Sir is my this. Say Claire. Sir. And EST is my is. Have you done H verb? अभी जो मेरे candidates, जो मेरे brothers and sisters जो नए हैं, I will explain to you. Okay? Before when we left with half an hour, so we'll explain to you. Okay? A bit things जो कि आपको help करेंगे. Say clear. Now say très simple. This is very simple. Say très simple. Répétez après moi. C'est très simple.
Très simple.
Puro language.
C'est très simple.
C'est très simple.
C'est très simple.
Should be used to with the language now. C'est très simple. Bolo, c'est très simple. C'est
C'est
très
très simple.
simple.
C'est très simple.
D'accord.
C'est très simple.
Ouh là là, c'est difficile. Roke bolo, craindre. Répétez après moi. Craindre. Bolo language को आप craindre.
Craindre. Craindre. Craindre.
Craindre. Répétez après moi. Craindre. Craindre. We have
Craindre.
जब हम कोई भी लैंग्वेज में एंटर करते हैं हम डरते हैं craindre. That is can be tough fear. Répétez après moi. Use your emotion now. Craindre. Craindre. Répétez après moi. Craindre. Repeat after me.
Craindre.
Craindre. Pleurer. Use your body language. Pleurer. Répétez après moi. Pleurer. Pleurer. Pleurer is to cry. Pleurer is to cry. देखो language में use your emotions. Craindre. If your fear factor, craindre. And pleurer. Répétez après moi. Pleurer is to cry.
Pleurer.
Is it clear to you, my teammates? Say clear.
Oui.
Okay.
Oui, clair.
Now, okay. Now, répétez après moi. I will give you a now again. We are touching countains. We are touching deaf also. Say clear. These set 17. What is 18? These with.
Wait. This week.
Exactmo. These with. Say clear. What is 19? These now.
Nice enough.
Clear. Tell me yes and no. But
Then what about 20? This?
But not. No. It is just you have to learn, you know, just to understand 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, but I'll give you a formula. When? Répétez après moi. When we have 20.
Where?
When we have 20. Say clair. Now répétez après moi. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7, 8, 9. 7, 8,
8,
9.
9.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. When? Say clair, my teammates.
Where?
Say clair. एक बार repeat करो. Diriger. Répétez après moi. Diriger. Diriger. Dégager. Débloquer. Faire. Libérer. Déporter. I want this verb should be grab. Saisir. Grasp. Saisir. Craindre. Pleurer. Say clair. Say clair, my team. Say clair. Is it clear to you, my team?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So if I will say est-ce que je peux passer le tableau, agar I will say est-ce que je peux passer le tableau, if I'm saying may I rub the whiteboard? Why? Bolo why? Yes. We. Why?
Oui.
Wait.
Sit right. Kishan, you there? I think this is your voice, Kishan. Yeah.
Yes.
Sit, I know your voice, Kishan. Sit right here. Okay. All right.
Thank you. Merci
So,
beaucoup.
merci beaucoup. Sit right here. Now, répétez après moi. These are again my tough vocabularies. Repeat after me. Crier. Répétez après moi. Crier. Crier. Crier is to cry. Crier. Screaming. You know, screaming. Shout. Crier.
Crier.
There's my ear ending verb. Crier. Why? Because ear sound is A.
Crier.
ठीक है? बोलो. Hurley. Hurley. Hurley is to, you know, hooting करना. Say clear. Is it clear to you?
Crier.
Okay.
Crier.
Now,
Hurley.
pousser the cri. Pousser. Pousser is to push. Pousser the cri. Cry out. Pousser. Pousser the cri is some like, you know, these are my verbs. My sentence. Pousser the cri. Now, for example,
Pousser
I'm
the
saying
cri.
people are just crying out.
Bouger la porte.
Poser le
Fourth.
Fourth.
fourth. Okay, c'est très bien. Okay, c'est très bien. C'est très bien. Who's that kitchen?
Yes, yes, yes.
C'est très bien. Kitchen. Vous êtes très intelligent, kitchen, monsieur. Vous êtes très intelligent. C'est très bien.
Nothing.
Okay. Now, poser the cri. If I'm saying people are just crying out. People are just crying out. If I'm saying, for example, doma pay in my country. देखो लैंग्वेज में क्या है, जो आपका ट्रेनर बोलेगा आपको सुनना है.
Doma pay.
doma pay. अब देखो मैं बताता हूँ आपको. We have been learned entire things from the natives, right? उस टाइम पे क्या होता था? It's been 10 to 12 years back history. I'm telling you, the trainers, they are not liable to speak in Hindi and English because उनको मेरी language ही नहीं आती थी. And it is just we face a lot of difficulties. How it has gone because he's just speaking in French and we are beginner. But yes, we try to capture whatever she said. Pousse, I don't know what the spelling of pousse. I did not know उस time पे, but I will just write on pousse ऐसे होगा pousse. Pousse decree, and I will just capture the keywords. और हमें तो recording भी नहीं मिलती थी. Pousse decree, तो हम आके फिर डिक्शनरी में देखते थे what is pousse. फिर हम बोलते थे. उस टाइम तो गूगल ज्यादा होता भी था. 2009 में गूगल था, but the technology is not so much that advanced, so we do not have the applications and all these things. So अब आपको भी वही करना है, but I know your language, so I will not give you will not face so many difficulties now, but I want you to grab those. Saisir, grab. Pousse decree. Pousse decree. If I
Pousse
mean the cry out. Cry out.
Pousse the cri.
Yes, pousse decree. Pousse decree is cry out. अब हमें तो इसका मिलता ही नहीं था वर्जन. अब because French faculty को क्या पता कि pousse decree cry out, उसको अपना पता है pousse decree, but she is not aware of the English. She is not aware of Hindi. So अब आपको क्या करना है, जो मैं आपको टेक्निक्स दे रहा हूँ, आपको उसका मैं इंग्लिश में भी मीनिंग दूंगा, हिंदी में भी दूंगा आपको मीनिंग, राइट? So I will speak with you 4 languages: French, English, Hindi, Punjabi. C'est clair? D'accord. So that you will not face any challenge. Vous ne facez pas le défi, challenge. Vous ne facez pas le problème. C'est clair? Is it clear to you? So poser des cris, cry out. If I'm saying people are screaming in my country because of COVID-19, if I will say, oh mon Dieu, les gens sont crient. Les gens sont, the people, les gens crient. Les gens crient à cause de la COVID-19. C'est clair. Now répétez après moi. Interpeller, very important. Interpeller. Les gens crient. Les gens crient. I will say the people are crying. Les gens crient. À cause. What is à cause de la? Répétez après moi. À cause de la. Répétez après moi. À cause de. À cause de is my teammate because of. Répétez après. À cause de. बोलो इसको आप. Because of. À cause de. बोलो आप language को my teammates.
À cause
de. Yes. À cause de. À cause de is because of. Is it clear to you, my teammates?
Yes.
Say clair.
Why?
Very clear.
Okay. Now, for example, where we were. 1 second. Crier. Pousse the cri. Pousse the cri. Is it clear to you? Say clair, my teammate. Interpeller. Interpeller is, yes, that is my challenge I'm facing because I'm crying out. Interpeller. Say clair. Is it clear to you, my teammates? Okay. Say clair. Say clair, my teammates. Okay.
Very clear.
दोबारा आपको कुछ vocabulary देता हूँ. Let me write it down. 1 second. Interpeller. Répétez après moi. Interpeller. Interpeller, we have vocab to challenge. Whenever you are crying with a problem, you have to write down interpeller. Whenever you are crying, my teammates, whenever you are crying for a problem, interpeller is to call, is to challenge. Interpeller. Is it clear to you, my teammates? We have a sense of the language over here. I understand ये थोड़ा टफ हो रहा होगा बट आपको करना है। स्पीक अप। convoquer, repete après moi, convoquer, repete après moi, convoquer करना है। देखो आपको ये लैंग्वेज सीखनी है, आपको ब्यूटीफुल वोकैब यूज करनी है। convoquer, repete après moi,
Convoquer.
convoquer is again we use for a call. Now if I will say call an emergency meeting, now for example I will say, oh जो टॉपिक फॉर, देखो समझो एक बार मेरे को कि मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ आपको टॉपिक्स आ गया रेजो सोशियल। आप कहोगे सर ये क्या बता रहे हो आप, हम नए हैं। नहीं हो आप नए, अगर यही चीजें आप अगर 2 साल बाद भी करोगे और आपको 2 साल लैंग्वेज करते हो गए हैं और आपको चीजें नहीं बताई गई हैं, फिर भी आप नहीं होगी आपके लिए चीजें, राइट। तो ये चीजें आपको करनी है क्योंकि बिगनर्स के लिए ये चीजें बहुत जरूरी है। अगर आप एक पैटर्न टच करना चाहते हो, दिस इज अ बिगनर्स मॉड्यूल, क्लियर, बिगनर्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ राइटिंग, रेजो सोशियल। अच्छा एक चीज बताओ, यू वांट टू लर्न एबीसीडी और यू वांट टू लर्न दीस टाइप ऑफ टर्म्स, टेल मी।
बहुत।
एबीसीडी ठीक है, फोनेटिक्स ऑब्वियसली, बट एबीसीडी इसमें आ रही है ना, क्यों? बिकॉज रेजो सोशियल, ओ माय टीममेट्स रिप्ट अप बिकॉज माय फ्रेंच इज बेस्ड अपॉन माय फोनेटिक्स, सो ई ए यू साउंड इज ओ। आगे मेरी एबीसीडी, लेकिन मैं आपको विद द हेल्प ऑफ एबीसीडी आई एम गिविंग टू यू द टर्म्स एंड वोकैब, से क्लियर। सो रिप्ट après moi, réseau social, रिप्ट après moi, réseau social, réseau social is social network, réseau social। क्योंकि ऐसे टॉपिक्स आपके फ्रेंड टेफ किसी भी, आप B1 B2 में जाओ, जहां भी जाओ, A2 में जाओ, these type of topics you have to explain. Réseau social we called as social networks. Say clair. Is it clear to you? Okay. Repte après moi. Now if I will say, एक चीज आपको समझाऊंगा मैं, try to understand. Convoquer une réunion d'urgence. ये बोलना ही बोलना है आपको। कोई भी ऐसा टॉपिक आ रहा है जहाँ पे जिस टॉपिक में आपकी डिसएडवांटेजेस क्रिएट हो रही हैं, repte après moi, convoquer, बोलो une, une sound is une, yes, what is the sound of une? बोलो une, une sound is une, repete après moi, une, repeat after me, une is my une is my and say clair. So convoquer une réunion d'urgence, it means call, and convoquer is to call, it's not literally of call, convoquer is to call, convene, call, and d'urgence is emergency, d'urgence, repete après moi, d'urgence is emergency, now what is now yes, this is a pattern. Now en sound is on, en sound is on, clear, and e sound is आगे ना मेरी ABCD अब, clear. Now this is a pattern. E sound is repete après moi, e sound is and en sound is on. Réunion, repete après moi, réunion. Why is on sound is again on. Now let's pick the pattern of sounds, repeat after me. En sound is on, repete après moi, en sound is on, say clair. Réunion is my meeting, reunion, meeting. Convoquer une réunion d'urgence. Convoquer, répétez après moi. Convoquer une réunion. C'est clair. Now call for an emergency meeting. देखो वैसे ही नॉर्मल, लेकिन जब आप लैंग्वेज को टच में अभी लेके जब मैं आपके आऊंगा, सो हम ये चीजों को यूज करेंगे and you will come to know. But as a beginner, you have to understand convoquer une réunion d'urgence. Answer पहले is emergency call. हमें say clair. Challenge we can say. Say clair my teammates.
Be clair.
Okay. Répétez après moi. Interdit. Répétez après moi. Interdit. Interdit. Because these are all tough writing tasks. Writing में आपका use interdit is a prohibition. Prohibit. Interdit. Répétez après moi. Interdit.
Entity.
After me. Interdit. Interdit. We have, you know, prohibition. Prohibit. Interdit. Répétez après moi.
Entity.
Entity.
C'est clair.
Entity.
These type of terms will take you sooner, will take you in a very beautiful pattern. Say class. Okay. Now, let's move to a pattern of counting again. Let me drop this. Now, my teammates, you have to repeat after me the counting with me. Have you done till 20? You want to revise 20 counting till 20? Tell me yes or no. My teammates.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's repeat this. 1 second. Okay, now répétez après moi. 1, 2, 3.
The
2, 3,
1, 2, 3.
2, 3, 4,
C'est clair. 4, 5, 6. Yes, बोलो आप. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6,
1, 2,
1, 2.
3.
बोलो आप language को
3.
please. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6.
5, 6,
4, 5, 6.
5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10. Répétez après moi.
7, 8, 9, 10.
is.
C'est clair. 11, 12, 13,
12, 13,
13, 14,
14,
10,
16, 17, 18,
18,
19,
19,
19,
19,
20,
20,
20. अब देखो 21 क्या होगा मेरा 20 and 1 is equal to 21 चलेगा मेरा 21 का फॉर्मूला क्या चलेगा माय टीम इज 20 and 1 सो रेपटे आपने हुआ वेंगते देखो यहाँ पे क्या होगा मेरी बात को समझना माय टीम इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट whenever you have a consonant ending like T say clear whenever you have दिख रहा है आपको मैं हाईलाइट कर रहा हूँ इसको रेड से दिख रहा है आपको
yes,
whenever you have a consonant ending like T clear and immediate base on the very immediate base you have a next word starting from a vowel my T listen to me very carefully whenever you have consonant ending like T and the next word is starting from a vowel in that case we have to combine the sound of T and E say clear so that is wangte te et sound is a why because literally meaning of et is and literally meaning of et is and the sound is a et sound is a say clear
wangte
say
Wangte
20 and 1 is 21 répétez après moi wangte what is 22 weather यहाँ पे wangte the नहीं होगा यहाँ से होगा weather 22 weather 20 weather now weather what is 23 tell me weather say clear tell me yes or no weather say clear why what is 24 what is 24 exactly so when cattle say clear why now when sang say clear when sang say clear right here now we have when sees répétez après moi s'il vous plaît when sees say clear what is 27 tell me what? Yes, when set, when with, when up. Say clear. Tell me yes or no.
When up, yeah.
Say clear. Now, it is just to understand 30, which is front. Which is front. Say clear. Front. So, front is 30. Front. En sound is on and E sound is a. Front. Say clear. Front is 30. Is it clear to you, my teammates? Clear?
Yes.
Now, for example, we have now 31. Say clear. Now repeat. 31. Yes.
31.
Yes. 31. 31.
Te.
30 and 1. Tronte. Why tronte? Tronte. Repte apne one. Tronte. Say clap. Is it clear to you?
31. Yes.
Say clap.
We.
Tron the.
We.
Tron the.
Tronte.
Tron the. Tron the. Say clap.
Tronte.
Now what is 33? Tell me.
Trontre.
Exact. No.
33. 33. 33.
Now what is 34? Tron.
Tronquet.
34.
C'est très bien. Exactement. Exactement. Say clap. Now what is 25?
35.
What is 26?
36.
What is 37?
37.
37.
What is 38?
38.
38.
What is 40?
39.
39. And now we have to understand 40, which is 40.
40.
Which is 40. Repte after moi. 40. 40, we have 40. Is it clear to you, my teammates? Why? Now what is 41? 41.
41.
Say Claire. Tell me yes or no. What is 41? Now what is 42? Tell me.
42.
40. Say try here. ET नहीं आएगा क्योंकि 41 में खाली ET आएगा. Say Claire. 43, 44, 45. Say Claire. Tell me. Is it clear to you? बोलो आप इसको. 45. Repte आपने मुआ. 45. It is just you have to write down 40, and 1, 2, 3 counting. Say Claire. Tell me.
We Claire.
Why? So 45. Repte आपने मुआ. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50, we have 50. 50, we have 50. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no. Say Claire. Now what is 51? 51. Repte आपने मुआ. 51. Say Claire. Now 52. Second soir. Repte आपने मुआ s'il vous plaît. 53. 54.
54.
55.
58. 59.
60.
60.
Is
60.
Is it clear to you? Now my teammates, what is 61? 61. Say Claire.
61. 62.
64. Say Claire. इसको बोलो आप साजोन को 69 तक बोलो आप कैसे
63. 64. 66.
Swazon.
66.
66.
Swazon.
67. 68. 69.
Now, अब my teammates 70 क्या होगा? 70 होगा 60 plus 10. 70 का फॉर्मूला क्या है my teammates? 60 plus 10 is equal to 70. Swazon these. Swazon ये लिख लो, ये फॉर्मूला चलेगा आपका 70 plus 10 का फॉर्मूला, सॉरी 60 plus 10 चलेगा, which is Swazon these. See Claire. 60 फिर 71 क्या होगा? 60 plus 60 plus 11 का फॉर्मूला चलेगा 71. से Claire. तो क्या चलेगा? Swazon tones. क्या चलेगा? Swazon tones we have 71. क्योंकि हमारा फॉर्मूला चलेगा 60 plus 11. Say Claire. Now what is 12? Swazon douze. Swazon douze we have 12. Swazon douze. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Swazon 13. Say Claire.
Soixante-douze.
Is it clear?
Soixante-douze.
Okay.
Right. Yeah.
Swazon. Acha, what is
Yes.
24? Swazon 14.
Those.
Because 14 we have 14.
Soixante-quatre.
Swazon 14. 14. So 70 plus 14, 70 plus 15. Sorry, 60. 60 plus
60 plus 15.
Say Claire. So Swazon 15. Is it clear to you, my teammates? Is it
Right.
clear to you? Why, Claire? Now, Swazon says. Swazon says.
Yes.
We have 76 Swazon says. Is it clear to you?
Why?
Now, 77 क्या होगा? 60 plus 17. So Swazon 17. Swazon 17.
This set.
Say Claire. Tell me yes or no. Tell me, my teammates, is it clear to you?
Why?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is 78? Swazon?
Swazon the week.
Yes, exactement. 78 is Swazon. This
Oui.
way.
Oui.
Is it clear to you? What is 79? Swazon.
Swazon is not.
Now, say Claire. Why? What is 80 now? 80 का formula चलेगा 4 into 20 we have 80, 4 into 20, tell me. 4 into 20, capital we have 4, 20 is when? Capital when? 4 into 20 we have 80, लिख लो please. Formula आपको पता होना चाहिए. 4 into 20 का formula चलेगा मेरा 80 में. So capital when? Capital is my 4 and 80 is my, sorry, 20 is my when. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no. My teammates, is it clear to you? 4 into 20 we have 80. What is 4? 4 we have capital
Cat.
and 20
Capital.
we have when. Capital when.
When.
Repeat it please. Capital when. Bolo.
Capital
Quatre
when.
vingt.
Claire.
Why?
Now then we have 81. 81 we have
When cattle
capital when. Capital when te capital.
Get to Vantia.
Vingt
Why?
et un.
Because 4 into 20 and 1.
And
Capital when te
Vingt et un.
capital when te the
Et un.
say class. Capital
Quatre-vingt et trio.
capital when te the say tribune. Capital when
when they
te trois
Et trois.
say class. Is it clear to you? So it is just capital when के बाद आप capital यहाँ पे trois है तो क्या लगाओगे capital sang. So it is just you will apply the 1 to 10 counting. Tell me yes or no. So capital when te capital
get to when they get
Quatre.
class. Mademoiselle, is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no.
why
there.
Capital when te sang say class.
Cinq.
get to when they say
Tres cinq.
Say Claire, is it clear to you?
Oui.
Why?
Why?
Say Claire. Now 6 is what? Quatre vangte sees.
get to when they
Quatre-vingt et
say
six.
Vangte says. Quatre vangte now. What is 90? 90 का जो formula चलेगा my teammates, which is quatre vingt these. It means what? Formula is 4 into 20 plus
20 plus 10.
This is a bit tricky. Claire. So, quatre vingt these. Quatre is 4, vingt is 20,
Get to when
and these is number 10. Quatre vingt these. Quatre
Quatre-vingt-dix.
vingt these. Is it clear to you? Quatre vingt these. Claire. Say Claire.
get to when this
Now, what is 91? Tell me.
get to
Quatre-vingt-dix.
Quatre vingt.
it when tons.
Yes, you were very close. It means 4 into 20.
20 plus 10 and plus 11.
Say Claire. So, quatre vingt ons. Claire.
Quatre-vingt-un.
I understand it is a bit tricky, but yes, थोड़ा सा आपको इसका practice करना है. What is 92?
Catraventus.
Catraventus.
और 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 आपको करना है, समझना है बस। Catraventus. Claire. What is 93?
Catraventus.
It is just big 4 into 20 plus 1, 11, 12, 13 counting. Claire. Say Claire. Catraventus.
Catraventus.
Is it clear to you? Catravencans.
Catravencans.
Catravencans. Is it clear to you?
Why?
Why? Now, my teammates, what is then 96? Tell me.
Catraventus.
Yes. Catraventus. Say Claire. Catraventus. Say Claire. What is 97? Catraventus. Catraventus. Set. Catraventus. Wheat. Catraventus. Now. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no. Now we have a song. Song. Song we have 100. Song.
So.
So we have 100, my teammates. Is it clear to you?
Why?
Is it clear to you, my teammates? So we have 100. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Is it clear to you? Why? Okay. Now, my teammates, repte après moi. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. इसको रिवाइज करना है. Entire session is under recording. Say Claire. तो एक बार रिवाइज करें 1 to 100 counting. Tell me yes or no. Why? चलो.
Why?
1, 2, 3.
1,
2,
7, 9.
7, 8, 9.
These. बोलो these. 11, 12, 13. Repete après moi.
1, 2, 3.
14, 15. 14,
14,
17, 18, 19,
17, 18, 19.
20. 20, 23, 24, 25, 26. Repete après moi. 25, 26. बोलो ना लैंग्वेज को. 27, 28, 29. Say Claire. Is it clear to you, my teammates? So my teammates, इसका ऐसे आप practice करोगे. This is the session which is under recording. So practice like that. Say Claire. Say Claire.
Why?
Okay. एक बार 31 to 40 रिवाइज कर लो, फिर हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. बोलो 31 to 40 अपने आप.
31.
हाँ.
32.
12, 33, 34, 35, 36,
6.
37, 38, 39, 40.
That's right. Carry on. Now. अब कुछ फ्रेजेस दे रहा हूँ आपको मैं, जो आपको यूज करने होते हैं टाइमिंग. जैसे यू नो इन इंग्लिश वी हैव इट इज 1 o'clock. If I ask you, you say it is 1 o'clock. I will say what is o'clock. आप बोले टाइम से यूज करते हैं. नहीं मुझे बताओ o'clock है क्या. बोलो ये टाइम है, टाइम o'clock टाइम है, ये हम यूज करते हैं. ऐसे ही हमारा फ्रेंच में है my teammates. Say Claire. Now I'll explain to you a lot of concept now. L'heure. Répétez après moi. L'heure. L'heure. Répétez après l'heure. L'heure, the time as in telling time. L'heure. L'heure we code as time. L'heure. Say Claire. L'heure. Répétez après moi. L'heure. Now देखो मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन देखो, जो क्वेश्चन का जो आपका टास्क होता है ना, जो क्वेश्चन रेज करने का टास्क होता है, समझो मेरी बात को. आपका ना सेक्शन ए आता है, योर सेक्शन ए ओरल. Oral we called as your speaking. Oral we called as your speaking. Oral. Claire. Section A oral आता है आपका, जहाँ पे you have to ask the question to your jury. 10 एक टास्क होता है, प्रॉपर एक टास्क होता है वो. You have to ask 10 to 12 questions with the jury according to the document. Say clear. Now, क्या प्रमुख केलर रेतिल? सिंपल बोलो केलर रेतिल. केलर रेतिल बोलो केलर रेतिल. बोलो लैंग्वेज को आप केलर रेतिल. क्या प्रमुख केलर रेतिल? लैंग्वेज को बोलो आप केलर रेतिल. What time is it? Oh, केलर रेतिल. Hello, mademoiselle. केलर रेतिल. केलर रेतिल. रेप क्या प्रमुख केलर रेतिल. रेप क्या प्रमुख केलर रेतिल. रेप क्या प्रमुख. Yes. Use the केलर रेतिल. Simple. केलर रेतिल. देखो लैंग्वेज में ऐसी टर्म्स होती हैं जहाँ आप सोचते नहीं हैं. ऐसी लैंग्वेज मेरे को आपको सिखानी है कि सोचो ना बस. व्हाट टाइम इट इज. केलर रेतिल. केलर रेतिल. रेप क्या प्रमुख. केलर रेतिल. C'est très bien. लतों. रेप क्या प्रमुख. रेप क्या प्रमुख. लतों. Ton is basically this is time as in period of time. As a specific period of time we call it as laton. Time. Time मेरा लर भी है और तुम भी मेरा time है. So ton basically ton is used for time as in a period of time, a specific period of time. Say class. Okay. बोलो la foi. La foi. बोलो लैंग्वेज को आप. La foi. Foi is time as an instant. Time as an instant. अब इसका मतलब क्या है? इंस्टेंस. टाइम as an instant. मैं बोलता हूँ एक समय की बात है. बोलते हैं एक चीज को समझो आप. समय हिंदी में समय. ओके. टाइम. समय क्या हुआ है? मैं बोलूंगा केलर रेतिल. वहां पे क्या यूज कर रहा हूँ? समय क्या हुआ है? केलर रेतिल. और अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ एक समय की बात है. देखो लैंग्वेज में अपना सेंस है. दिस इज समथिंग लाइक फोजामी. बोलो फोजामी. रेप क्या हुआ? फोजामी. बोलो लैंग्वेज में. फोजामी क्या होता है? रॉन्ग फ्रेंड. फोजामी क्या होते हैं? रॉन्ग. फो इज रॉन्ग फ्रेंड. देखो फोजामी क्यों मैं यहाँ पे यूज कर रहा हूँ टॉपिक को. इसको क्यों यूज कर रहा हूँ? क्योंकि दोनों समय है, दोनों फ्रेंड हैं, बट अलग अलग सेंस है दोनों के. तो मैं बोलूंगा ये अच्छा ये दोनों रॉन्ग फ्रेंड्स हैं. से क्लियर. टेल मी yes or no my teammates. Why? So समय इस अगर आप पूछो समय क्या समय हुआ है केलर रेतिल. बट वन समय इज एक समय की बात है. एक राजा था, एक रानी थी, एक समय की बात है. दैट समय भी कोड है स्वा. That instance, time as an instance, that time as an instance we call as swa. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no. Why? Okay. So my teammates only err when you only err when telling a time. It is equivalent to o'clock in English. My teammates, इसको read करो आप please. Only is needed for this lesson which we are doing. When time telling, it is equivalent to o'clock. Is equivalent to o'clock. Say Claire, my teammates. Tell me yes and no.
Why Claire?
Why? Now, for example, I will say, देखो मैं बोलता हूँ it is 1 o'clock. मैं बोलता हूँ it is 1 o'clock. Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
If I raise the question why it is 1 o'clock, why why it's not she is 1 o'clock, he is 1 o'clock, why they are 1 o'clock, why it is. अब लोग एक सेंस में बोलते हैं it is 1 o'clock, इतना टाइम हुआ है. Say class. The same in French also. Whenever you are telling the time like 1 o'clock, हम बोलते हैं il est. क्या यूज करते हैं? il est. Il est tune. Il est because we have T and vowel. Il est tuner. Il est tuner. Il est tuner. Il est, it is one. Un is one. हम लिखे ना but हम un use कर रहे हैं because un is my feminine version. Il est tuner. It is 1 o'clock. Say clap. बोलो. हम लिखे ना 1. But my teammates, whenever one is female, that is un. One is masculine, male, which is Repte après moi. We have male masculine. One. We have male. क्योंकि मेरी फ्रेंच में जो मेरी बुलवर्स से जो मेरी मूवमेंट है बुलवर्स से, इट इज समथिंग लाइक इन फीमेल एंड मैस्कुलिन पे हम बहुत बेस्ड हैं फ्रेंच. नंबर 1 we have male, un number 1 for female. Say Claire, tell me yes or no. So il est tuner, it is 1 o'clock because we have il est tuner. Say Claire, it is 1 o'clock. Tell me yes or no. It is 2 o'clock. Il est 2 heures. Il est 2 heures. It is 2 o'clock. Il est 2 heures. Zar. Répétez après. Il est 2 heures. Il est 2 heures. Il est 2 heures. Say Claire.
Il est 2 heures.
Répétez après moi. It is 2 o'clock. Il est 2 heures. Say Claire. Now my teammates. If I will say my teammate, it is 3 o'clock. What do you will say? Il est 3 heures. Il est, क्योंकि जब आप my teammate जब listening करोगे आपको ये चीजें काम आए. वहाँ टाइमिंग चल रहा होगा. Il est 3 heures. Il est 4 heures. Okay. Now, for example, I will say it is 3:15. Half is 15. Tell me quarter. Quarter is what? Half to half. Tell me yes and no. What is quarter?
Yes.
Quarter is half to half.
Yeah.
Say Claire.
Why?
Quarter is half ka half. So that quarter, because that's 3:15, we have quarter, right? Car. That quarter we called as car. Répétez après moi. Car. Car. We called as quarter. Car. Say Claire. If I will say it is 3:15. It is 3:15. I will say il est 3 heures et quart. Il est 3 heures. It is 3:15. It is 3 and 15. Il est 3 heures et quart. 3:15. It is 4 o'clock. Tell me. Il est 4 heures. Il est 4 heures. Il est 4 heures. It is 4:15. Il est 4 heures et quart. Is it clear to you? Why? Tell me yes and no. My teammates, is it clear to you?
Right.
Now,
Right.
it is 4:30. Dummy, we have half. Dummy, my teammate, we have half. Dummy, we have half. Dummy. Car, we have quarter. Dummy, we have half. So, il est 4 heures et demi. Il est 4 heures et demi. Is it clear to you, my teammates?
Right.
Why? Now, for example, oh, that's beautiful. I will say, for example, it is 4:45. It is, I will explain to you one thing. It is 4:45. हिंदी में क्या यूज करते हैं? 5 बजने में 15 मिनट बाकी हैं. यूज करते हैं ऐसे?
Right.
Say Claire.
Why, Claire?
No. What I would say in French. So car, because we have quarter. Car. Because we have 15 minutes left. It means my car. But I'm left with I'm less. Moi. Répétez après moi. Moi. Repeat after me. Moi, we have less. Moi, we have less. Repeat after me. Literally meaning moi is less. Répétez après moi. Moi, we have less. So répétez après moi. Moi, le car. Répétez après moi. Moi, le car. Less the 15. Less the quarter. Le, we have article the. Moi, le car. Répétez après moi. Moi, le car. So, but I will say, okay, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि 5 बजने में 15 मिनट बाकी हैं. Il est 5 heures. अभी 5 बजे तो नहीं है, से क्लैर, बट मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, इले सैंकर अभी नहीं बजे, बट लेस देन 15 मिनट्स है अभी, इले सैंकर मुआ लकार, से क्लैर, टेल मी यस और नो।
Ele Shankar Malakar.
इले शंकर मलाकार।
ये सैंकर अभी आपका 4:45 है, क्लैर अभी आपके 5 नहीं है, बट आप कह रहे हो ना 5 बजने में इले सैंकर, बाकी है मुआ लेस कितने क्वार्टर बाकी है,
इले शंकर मलाकार।
से क्लैर,
Why
इले
class?
सैंकर मुआ लकार, से क्लैर, टेल मी यस और नो।
Why?
क्लैर,
वे
or either you can say like this, ile 4 Caron sang, 45 is what, Caron sang, 45 is what, Caron sang, Caron is 40, right? So ile 4 Caron sang, say class, tell me yes and no. Why? If I will
Why?
say it is 5:10, it is 5:10, so ile sanker these, this is my 10,
इले शंकर दी।
सैंकर these, but अगर मैं बोलूं it is 6:50, so it means 10 मिनट बाकी है 7 बजने में, tell me।
Ele Caesar second.
इले
इले
सैटर,
सिसार
7 बजने में, तो 7 बोले, अच्छा आप क्या बोल रहे हो अभी, क्या बोला, सॉरी आई डिडंट गेट दिस, इले सीजर
Second.
सैंको से ट्राई bien, yes merci beaucoup, c'est très bien, बट अगर मैं उस
Set more this.
कि 7 बजने में 10 मिनट बाकी हैं,
Ele set more this.
these,
Ele Setar Modis.
कुछ कह रहे थे आप,
More this.
Moiladis.
मुआदी, सिंपल मुआदी, मुआ लकार होता है, मुआ लकार, बट मुआदी, से क्लैरिफिकेशन, से क्लैर, अगर मैं बोलूं 6:55, मेक 6:55,
Ele set more sank.
yes, इले सेटर मुआ सेंक,
Mosenk.
से क्लैर my teammates, is it clear to you?
Why?
Claire? So these are counting you will get. Now, for example, I will say it is 8:40. It is 8:40.
Ilya Vitar Caron.
Ile Vitar Caron.
Vita Keram.
नफर मुआ वैन. इले नफर 20 मिनट बाकी है 9 बजने में, तो इले नफर मुआ वैन.
Movan.
इधर इले विटर कैरोन. से क्लैर. Tell me yes or no. Why? My
Why?
now अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि it is 8 o'clock, but आप बोलोगे how I will come to know it is morning 8 o'clock, it is evening 8 o'clock. Il est 8h du matin. It is 8 o'clock of the morning, du matin. Il est 8h du matin.
Du matin.
Il est 8h, it is evening, il est 8h du soir. Il est 8h du soir. Soir we have evening. C'est clair. Matin, il est, répétez après moi, il est 8h du matin.
Du matin.
C'est clair.
Matin. Morning.
Il est
C'est clair. Now,
du soir.
répétez après moi. Now, mademoiselle, il est 5h the l'après-midi. If I'm saying it is 5 in the afternoon.
Afternoon.
It is 5 in the afternoon. L'après-midi is your afternoon. Après-midi. Après-midi. My teammates, après-midi is my afternoon. Répétez après moi. Après-midi. Après-midi.
Pramadi.
Afternoon. Après-midi. I'm saying
Pramadi.
anchor the l'après-midi. It means it is 5 in the afternoon. If I'm saying it is 5 o'clock, it is 5 o'clock. So what I will do? It is il est 5h du soir.
5 du soir.
और इधर I can say il est 17h 1700 hours. अगर मुझे बोलना है कि 1700 hours. Now, for example, if we are working on a round the clock system, जैसे 12 के बाद 13, 14, 15, 16, say Claire,
Why?
I
Why?
can say these at earth. I can say these at earth or ile Sankar the la primary. It is these at earth is by default at an evening, right? But I can say ile Sankar the la primary, ile these are say Claire. Tell me yes or no. Why?
Why?
It is 8 p.m. हम बोलते हैं ना 8 p.m., 8 a.m. So what is p.m. a.m. in French? Il est 8 heures du soir. Soir we have p.m. evening. Literally meaning of soir we have evening. Soir. And matin we have morning. C'est clair.
Morning.
Or either I can say il est when c'est clair. C'est clair, my teammates. C'est clair.
Why, Claire?
I will say it is midday. It is noon, midday. Just 12 o'clock is my midday. Afternoon 12 o'clock. Il est midi. Il est midi.
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 C'est clair. It is midnight.
Il est midi.
Minuit, we have midnight. Minuit. After, 12 in the early morning, midnight. Midnight, il est minuit. Or afternoon, 12, we have il est midi. C'est clair. Répétez après moi. Il est midi.
Clair.
Il est midi.
Il est midi. Il est midi.
C'est clair. Why?
Why?
Is it clear to you?
Why?
Une heure 15. I can say il est une heure 15. 15 is 15. I can say il est une heure 15. I can say une heure et quart. Une heure et quart. Is it clear to you? Une heure et il est une heure et quart. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no.
Why?
Il est une heure 15. Il est une heure et quart. Is it clear to you?
Why?
Clear? Now, basically, this is my time check wherein you can use in a different techniques. Say Claire, my teammates.
Right, Claire.
Why, Claire?
Why? Now, for example, I will explain to you one thing. One second, please. Yeah, be with me. My teammates, for example, मैं आपको दोबारा चीजें कुछ बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि कुछ मेरे team members नए हैं, तो we can explain the things. My new teammates, in French, we have two type of verbs, which is être and avoir. These are the very important verbs in order to speak French. My team, in order to speak French, we have to understand about what is être and what is avoir. Say Claire, my teammates. So,
Right, Claire.
être is my verb to be. Être is my verb to be, which is to is mr. Which is to is mr. Say Claire, my team. Okay.
Right, Claire.
Avoir is my verb to has have. Avoir is my verb to has have.
Have.
So repeat after moi. Être is to be. Être. Être,
Ether is to be.
which is to is mr. क्योंकि हम
Is
बोलते हैं
MR.
Is a man.
be was been. Claire. A be was been. If my be passive was, every the more be can be is mr also. Say Claire. Why? And
Right.
avoir is my verb to has have. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Right.
Now, in French language, my team, we have a conjugation. My French is based upon the conjugation. Say Claire. So,
Right.
H
Right.
verb to is mr. The moment I will conjugate the verb, H, with I am, you are, he is, she is, how it works. Je suis. Repeat after moi. Je suis.
Je suis.
Is to I.
Just we.
Why? Because je is my I. Little
I.
is I. And suis is am. ये जैसे हमने किया ना पैटर्न
Suis.
I am, you are. I will say you am. I'm like, no, no, why you am, you are. I will say why reason. I will learn by heart. We am. No, it's not we am, it's we are. Why? Because that's a rule. So the same thing in French also. In some verbs, we have a pattern wherein we have to understand their endings by heart. So être is my verb, basically full verb pattern, which is to be, is, am, are. So the moment I will break être with I am, you are. So je suis is to I am. Bolo aap. Tu. Tu.
You.
Tu
You.
is my you informal. Tu is my you informal. Yes. Tu. Tu. Tu a. Tu
You.
a is to you are. Tu a is to you are.
You are.
Il
You are.
a. What is il l? My new teammates.
He and she.
Il
He and
is
she.
my he, exactly, and L is my she. So with
She.
il and if we have to apply est, that sound is a. So répétez après moi. Je suis, tu es, il, elle,
You.
a. Say Claire, my teammates. Tell me. Say Claire. Now répétez après moi. Je suis is to I am. Tu es is to you are. Répétez après moi. Il, elle, a is to he, she is. Nous sommes. Nous sommes is to we are. Nous sommes is
Nous
to
sommes.
we are.
We are.
Vous êtes is to you are. Ye nous is my we. My teammates, nous is my we.
Nous. We.
And with nous, we have som. Vous.
Some.
Nous sommes.
Vous. You.
Som is to we are. We have vous êtes.
Vous
Vous
êtes.
êtes. Over
That.
here, my teammates, vous êtes.
Vous êtes.
Over here, my teammates, vous and
Vous êtes.
you. You, we have informal you, informal version. And who is my aap? Is it clear to you? Who is my aap?
Ah.
Say Claire. Now in English, we have you. It could be with female, sorry, that elders and the youngers, we have you. But in Hindi, we have tu and aap. The same we have in French also, tu.
For elders, it's vous.
Tu, you informal, and who is my aap? Say Claire, vous êtes, Claire, and il,
Claire.
and som. Say Claire, which is they are.
Elson.
Say Claire, is it clear to you? Why?
Right.
Okay, so il, el, som, why, they are, क्योंकि देखो, il is my he. The moment we'll apply s at the end,
S.
become like plural.
Plural.
L
Plural.
we have she. The moment I will apply s at the end, it will become plural, but
Plural.
we will not pronounce s at the end. Say Claire. So
Claire.
consonant ending is silent. So il, el, so. So répétez après moi. Je suis, tu es, il, elle, est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils, elles sont. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. बोलो आप इसको. Je suis, tu es, tu es. इसको बोलो आप, क्योंकि आप यूज करोगे. Je suis, tu es, il, elle, est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils, elles sont. C'est clair. Why? So répétez après moi. Je suis, tu es, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils.
Elale.
C'est clair.
Right.
Is it clear to you? Why? So répétez après moi.
Ouais.
Je suis, tu es, il, elle, est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils, elles sont. C'est clair. Why?
Right.
Tell me yes or no. So this is the conjugation basically. So je suis, tu es, il, elle, est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils, elles sont. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no. Why?
Right.
Okay. Now my teammates, we have verb avoir. Avoir is a verb to have. ये कुछ conjugations हैं जो कि बहुत important है आपकी. Avoir is my verb to have. Claire, is it clear to you, my team? Claire?
Right.
Now, what I will do? Je, yes. Je is to I have. Why je, my teammates? Basically, je is to I and a
Je.
is to have. Je.
Have.
But my
Je.
teammates, whenever you have two vowels, like if your vowel is, if your any word is ending from a vowel, right? And the next word is starting from a vowel, we have to eliminate one vowel, and that is je.
Okay.
Rep kya apne mo je,
Je,
a, chu a,
tu
il
as,
el a, clair.
il, elle a,
Nous avons, bolo, nous
nous
avons,
avons,
vous
nous avons,
avez,
vous avez,
ils ont.
ils, elles ont.
Why zone? Because my team, I have to combine the sound of S and A.
Vowel.
I have, sorry, S and O. Claire, I have to combine of S and A. I have to combine the S, combine the sound of S and A. S A S A S O sound is za, zon, za. Nous avons, vous avez,
Nous
ils,
avons,
elles ont. Is it clear to you,
nous
my
avons,
team?
ils, elles ont.
Is it clear to you, my
Ouais,
team?
ouais.
Okay. Now, répétez après moi. Je suis, bolo, je suis,
Je suis,
tu es,
tu es,
il, elle est,
tu es,
c'est clair.
il, elle est,
Ok. Nous avons,
clair.
c'est clair.
Nous avons,
Vous avez.
nous avons, vous
Ok.
avez, ils,
Ils,
elles
elles
ont.
ont.
C'est clair. Is it clear to you? So, j'ai, tu as, il, elle a, nous avons, vous avez,
Ouais.
ils, elles ont. C'est clair, my
Nous
team?
avons, vous avez, ils, elles ont.
C'est clair. Is it clear
Ouais.
to you? Why?
Two.
So, ये कुछ conjugation है जो हम इसको करते रहेंगे. अच्छा,
Oui, clair.
अभी what we have done today, tell me. What we have done today, tell me. We have done the conjugations, Claire. We have done the countings, and we have done the TEF, directly hitting target of my vocabularies. My teammates, vous claquez, la porte, vous claquez. Répétez après moi, बोलो मेरे साथ साथ. Vous claquez,
La porte.
Vous claquez.
बोलो, vous claquez, répétez après moi. Vous claquez,
Vous
claquez.
la porte.
La porte.
Porte,
Vous claquez
the
la porte.
T-E-M. You slam, vous claquez. Vous claquez, mademoiselle, you directly slam the door of
Vous
TEF
claquez
with the
la
help
porte.
of this. Vous claquez la porte. Porte is my door. La porte.
Vous
Vous
claquez la
claquez
porte.
la porte. C'est clair, my
La
teammates.
porte.
C'est clair. Okay.
Vous
So,
claquez la porte.
yes,
C'est clair.
c'est clair. C'est clair. Okay. So, claquer is to, you know, what I would say.
Break.
Yes, you directly, what I would say,
Knock.
knock, I would say, yes, for me, on claquer. So you're knocking the door of your, you know, your TEF, say clair. I want to give you a lot of more vocabularies, but I think that it should be under control. So you vous comprenez toutes les choses, vous comprenez, tell me. You understood entire thing, tell me, my teammates. My teammates, is it clear to you?
J'ai compris.
Vous avez compris? Why?
Ouais.
Okay. Now, Giza, is it clear to you? Entire thing
Yes.
which I have explained.
Yes.
Manish,
Yes,
is it clear
yes.
to you?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Barkha mademoiselle, is it clear to you? Harpreet, is it clear to you? Christian, is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no. Say Claire. Why?
Oui, clair.
And Navjot, is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Claire. So, देखो, whatever you have, say Claire. अब आपको क्या करना है? Again, I will share entire recording with you. आपको उसको प्रैक्टिस करना है जो हमने किया है, क्योंकि कल हम डायरेक्टली हिट करेंगे, हल्का सा लिसनिंग पोर्शन में कुछ क्लिक्स करेंगे, मैं कुछ आपको टॉपिक्स लाऊंगा रोल प्ले के. बट how we can be a successful in TEF? How? We can only be successful once you will do the practice of my TEF vocabulary which I have given to you today. The campaign is only get successful once you will do practice. If, for example, I have given the vocabularies and you forget, for example, you have practiced even though you forget, then there will be a bundle of vocab and you will not digest end of the day. My teammates, my motto will only be successful once you will do practice a lot and try, keep this vocab in your hand, in your mind. Don't want to less free, don't want to less poor. Say clear. Is it clear to you, my teammates? So practice करना. Okay, कल आपको मैं एक नए टॉपिक्स में और लेके जाऊंगा जहाँ पे हम लिसनिंग और कुछ स्पीकिंग के टॉपिक्स करेंगे. Clear? And obviously I will share the recording of this session also. Say clear. Why?
Why clear?
ठीक है, चलो. Onwards, sir, on concept demo. Till the time, practice hard, and we'll meet you tomorrow. Okay? Why? And any doubt you have, send me a text. That's not a problem. Say clear. Why?
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 Okay. Oh, bye. Bye. Take care.
Or the miss.
Miss.